Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be perceived as the smartest person at work. Alright, so I'll be honest, I get complimented a lot for being smart, for being intelligent, for having a good memory at work. I get a lot of questions around it. And the truth is, it's not because I'm smart or not because I have a really good memory. I actually think I don't have the best memory in the world. The reality of it is I use a tool and I take the time to invest in that tool when no one else does. So I call the process developing my second brain. And basically what I do is when I consume new information, I document it and I put it in like Microsoft OneNote, or I mean, you can use anything else, but I use Microsoft OneNote and I build out this database of information. So if I learn a new process, I'm putting that into my database. If I have an idea on something, I'm putting it into my database. If I have a meeting on something, I'm putting it into my database. And so I'm creating this digital asset that I can search by keyword over time. So if we run into a situation where we run into a complex situation that only happens once a year, the vast majority of the people I work with are not going to really know how to handle that because maybe they've never even done it, or they haven't seen it for a full year. And so they come to me on it, and lo and behold, I invested the time to build out my second brain on it. And so I can just quickly give them the quick steps. Here, do this, this, and this. This is who you email. This is what you're trying to figure out. Boom, here you go. And my perception or my value goes up because of that, because I look like the person who has all the answers. I'm the HQ of information, if you will. And so your value goes up and the amount of value that you add to the team goes up. Of course, in reality is I don't have this memorized. I'm not the smartest person there, but because I have just taken the time to build out my second brain, to build out my Microsoft OneNote, I am able to answer these difficult questions that no one else can answer and even come up with new and different solutions because I'm building out this database that is, searchable by keyword. And so that's exactly what I do. It's add immense value to my department. And as I continue to invest in this digital asset, it will compound in value and get more and more important, especially as my industry and as my job gets more and more complex. And so if you are looking to increase your value, to get promotions or to get paid more by increasing your value, but you don't want to work more, which I think is very fair, then I highly recommend that you look to invest into your second brain, build out that digital asset over time, and it will pay you massive dividends down the road. So I hope that tip helped. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you on my next video.